English isn't just about vocabulary, it's about expression. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 20 English expressions that native speakers actually use every day, and what they really mean. Let's level up your English with nuance in English. Expression number 6, pull someone's leg. If someone says, "I'm just pulling your leg," they're not talking about your actual leg. Pull someone's leg means to joke with someone or trick them in a playful way. For example,
"Did you hear? Our professor is giving everyone an A?"
"Really?"
"No, I'm just pulling your leg."
The nuance here is that the joke is usually lighthearted and friendly, not meant to embarrass or offend anyone. So when a native speaker says, "I'm just pulling your leg," they simply mean, "I'm joking." Expression number 7, bite the bullet. If someone tells you to bite the bullet, they're not asking you to bite an actual bullet. This expression means to face a difficult, unpleasant, or uncomfortable situation with courage and just get it done. For example, "I've been avoiding the dentist for months, but I finally bit the bullet and made an appointment." The nuance is that you know something won't be enjoyable, but you decide to stop delaying it and deal with it anyway. Some common synonyms are face the music, get it over with, take the plunge, suck it up, more informal. Whether it's taking an exam, having a tough conversation, or paying a large bill, sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and move forward. Bite the bullet equals face something difficult and get it over with. Expression number 8, throw in the towel. If someone says they're going to throw in the towel, it doesn't mean they're doing laundry. This expression means to give up or admit defeat after trying hard to succeed. For example, after applying for dozens of jobs without success, he was ready to throw in the towel. The nuance is that you've made a serious effort, but you've decided that continuing is no longer worth it or possible. Some common synonyms are give up, quit, call it quits, wave the white flag. Be careful though. Throw in the towel often suggests that you've been struggling for a while before deciding to stop. Throw in the towel equals give up after trying hard. Expression number 9, up in the air. If something is up in the air, it doesn't mean it's literally flying in the sky. This expression means uncertain, undecided, or not yet finalized. For example, our vacation plans are still up in the air because we haven't booked our flights yet. The nuance is that a decision hasn't been made yet, or the outcome is still unknown. Things could go in several different directions. Some common synonyms are uncertain, undecided, unresolved, still pending. You might hear native speakers say the meeting date is still up in the air, which simply means nobody has decided on a date yet. Expression number 10, dole out. If someone doles out something, it means they distribute or hand it out to multiple people. For example, the teacher doled out the exam papers before class started. But here's the nuance. Dole out often suggests giving something out bit by bit to many people or in a controlled manner. It can be used for both physical things and non-physical things. For example, the manager doled out praise to the team after the project was completed. Some common synonyms are handout, distribute, give out, allocate. Native speakers often use dole out when talking about money, advice, rewards, criticism, or responsibilities being given to different people. And that's it for today's 5 expressions. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned, there are plenty more coming up in the next video.